Hey there campers, Carl from Pete's RV Center here. As the 2020 RV show season kicks off, Pete's RV is going to be at two of the biggest shows around. January 24th, 25th, and 26th, you'll find us at both the Boston RV and Camping Expo and the Northeast RV and Camping Show going on in Hartford, Connecticut. So make your way down. We're going to have over 40 RVs on display. Motorhomes, fifth wheels, toy haulers, travel trailers, anything and everything that you absolutely love. Some of the newest floor plans around and some of the best pricing around. We've got amazing promotions going on at both of the shows. You're going to get yourself either a discounted hitch, we're going to set you up with a free TV or no payments until April, and we're even going to store that RV for you so you don't get it all salty up until spring this year. So make your way down either to the Boston RV show or the show going on in Hartford, Connecticut, the Northeast Camping Show. We can't wait to see you there, folks. Find a yellow shirt and let us help you find the perfect RV to fit your lifestyle. We can't wait to see you at the show, folks, and happy camping.